Bermuda Triangle, Devil's Sea, Dragon Triangle, and Armada Airstrip, one of the most mysterious places in the world. You must have listened many incidents related to these places. Flights have disappeared. Some have taken 35 years to land and some covered 10 hours of journey in just 1 hour. Ships have sunk and disappeared too. So, in today's video, let's solve this mystery. Before starting, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click that bell icon for latest updates. Like this video and make sure you watch it till the very end. Let us start with the Armada Airstrip. This mysterious triangle is found in Odisha, India. This Armada Airstrip was made by Britishers during the Second World War. Around 150 to 200 ships had lost signals, sank and not found by the rescue team. But the fact is, maximum of them clashed each other, and these incidents have no connections with bad weather. The reason behind these incidents is the treasures of uranium in Jharkhand. Uranium is very high radioactive metal, and this metal can be blamed for these incidents as it radiated the navigation of ships. You must have not have listened about these much because this area was a military base and was not disclosed much. Now let's know about the Dragon Triangle or the Devil's Sea. This is located in Japan. In 1980, one ship was going through which was the twice size of Titanic and named Burbushin. This ship was carrying around lakh tons of iron and coal. This ship sank and then the government of Japan sent a rescue team to know about the ship, and the rescue team was also missing. People found more incidents which were similar to Bermuda Triangle. So, people started calling it Asia's Bermuda Triangle. Now let's know about Bermuda Triangle. Many incidents are seen here, but what is the reason behind them? These all incidents took place in 90s where people were not aware of the scientific reasons, but today these incidents have completely stopped. In 1970, Bruce Gernon was flying a plane through the Bermuda Triangle and he mentioned that he suddenly merged into a black clouds which were not ending. After 3 minutes, he landed his flight and noticed that he covered 150 kilometers in just 3 minutes, which means the speed of his plane was around 3000 kilometers per hour, whereas an average speed of plane is less than 1000 kilometers per hour. After some research, scientists found many reasons for these incidents. Ships sink because the Bermuda Triangle has volcanoes of methane and other components under the water. When the volcanoes erupt, the methane gas decreases the density of water, and ships are designed to a particular density, and that's why ships sink. Another reason for airplanes is that there are mountains in Bermuda Triangle where air clashes into these mountains and sea, and it causes huge waves and tornadoes in which plane crashes. Biggest reason for plane crash can be called the hexagonal cloud. In this cloud, the force of the air is too high and these clouds are very huge compared to the normal ones. Once a plane enters the cloud, there can be two possibilities. If the plane is the direction of air, the airplane will increase its speed, and if it's against the force, it will crash, and these both possibilities have been noticed. These all took place during the 90s and now have completely stopped. It's just the weather conditions of those places which make them dangerous. There are many stories which mention that planes take off and then lands after 37 years at its destination, and passengers are still alive at the same age, but their relatives are 37 years older. Some say it entered the black hole, some believe it's time travel, but the fact is, this all is completely fictional. All the mysterious triangles of the world, Bermuda, Dragon, and Armada airstrip, are on the same latitude on the Earth, which can be called a coincidence or some other mystery. What do you think about this topic? Comment down below, and if you found it informative, please drop a like. Subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay home, stay safe.